Hey folks, today we're going to show you an interesting condition called cellulitis. Take a look. Cellulitis is an infection of the deeper layers of the skin, most commonly caused by bacteria that normally live on the skin's surface. You have an increased risk of developing cellulitis if you have an injury such as a cut, fracture, burn, or scrape, have a skin condition such as eczema, participate in contact sports like wrestling, have diabetes or a weakened immune system, have chronic swelling of your arms or legs.
These bacteria used to be much more common in young children in the age 6 to 7. However, such infection is now rare because of the HIV Haemophilus influenza type B vaccine.
Signs and symptoms of cellulitis include redness, swelling and tenderness, warmth of the affected area, fevers and chills, and swollen glands or lymph nodes. If left untreated, cellulitis can rapidly turn into a life-threatening condition. Treatments usually include antibiotics. In severe cases, you may need to be hospitalized and receive antibiotics through your veins. Quick trivia question. Can you identify this medical condition? Leave your answer in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We have new videos all the time.
I'm here to tell you about Rest More. It's an all-natural sleep formula, and unlike Ambien or Z-Quil that just knock you out, Rest More is non-narcotic and it helps you fall asleep with a unique blend of vitamins, herbs, and minerals. If healthy, restful sleep is important to you, I recommend Rest More.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night.